Hey everyone, if you're thinking about giving SendGrid a try but aren't sure if their trial version is worth it, well, this video will give you the details you need. When you sign up for SendGrid's free trial, you get access to a lot more than just a light version of their platform. First off, you can send up to 100 emails per day, which is great for testing campaigns, transactional emails, or even automating your email workflows without any financial commitment. So what's really awesome is that during the trial, you can experiment with all the core features SendGrid offers, such as this drag and drop email builder, basic email automation. You can choose to send a single message or create a series of messages to be sent at time intervals you define. And real-time email analytics. And you also have access to SendGrid's powerful API integration, which allows you to automate emails directly from your app or website. The trial version is perfect for anyone wanting to explore the platform, whether you're new to email marketing or just trying to see if SendGrid fits your needs before committing to a paid plan. So, if you're ready to see how SendGrid can boost your email marketing efforts, sign up for the free trial today using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.